Okay, so I know you guys like these beaches, so extra feeling with a Snapchat filter on. But your girl looking a little dusty and busty right now. I don't want y'all to see it. So this filter makes me look extra cute, so I decided to film with this filter. But as you can see from the title, today's video is going to be a get ready with me for Christmas. Because today is Christmas and I'm so excited. Happy Merry Christmas, everybody. I hope you get everything you asked for and more. And without further ado, let's just get into this get ready with me. Okay. So I'm actually going to be starting off with my skin because I do plan on taking pictures today. And you know, one of the things that you notice in the picture is your skin. And other than that, you know, a bomb ass outfit. So yeah, that has to be popping as well. But this mask I actually got as one of my Christmas presents. So like a little sneak peek if you haven't already seen that video. This is a charcoal peel off mask from Rue 21. This also has to be left on for 15 to 20 minutes, so I need to get this on ASAP if I want my skin to be popping before I get done. So yeah, we're gonna put this on. So I just realized how this is probably a bad idea because it's starting to get hard to talk. A sister's lips is chapped, baby. I can't even move. Alright, so I know I haven't been talking much in this get ready with me, but it's literally because, like, I can't. Like, I'm struggling to talk. But, fun fact, when I was styling my hair, I forgot heat damage was a thing. Like, I was just going through 2, 3, 4 times. Like, I just didn't even care. Like, I just forgot. So your sister's having a little hair struggle. But it's okay, because we look cute while doing it. So, yeah. Ooh, ow, ow, ooh. Okay. Leaves checked. I need my ends trimmed, so that doesn't really count. But okay, we're gonna go all the way back here. Alright, so my hair is done. I try to do something with these edges, but having full edges that are curly when your hair is straight is just not the way to go. Sorry about that squeaky noise in the background if you hear it. That's my dog. That's his Christmas present that he just got. But yeah, so I think it's about time to take this mask off. So that's what we're about to do. Actually, no. Some parts still ain't dry yet. No? Yes, it is. Okay, we're about to take this off. This is about to be painful. So bear with me.